Today we're diving into Base by Coinbase, a new Layer 2 blockchain that promises to make decentralized finance more accessible. But does it really live up to the hype, or are there some hidden pitfalls we should be wary of? Base is designed to enhance the Ethereum ecosystem by providing a more efficient and cost-effective Layer 2 solution. It aims to reduce transaction fees and improve speed for users looking to engage in decentralized applications or dApps. The interface is clean and user-friendly, which is a plus for newcomers. It feels intuitive, especially if you're already familiar with Coinbase's existing platforms. One thing that stands out is its integration with the broader Coinbase ecosystem, making it easier for existing users to transition to using Base. However, while the concept is solid, there's still some ambiguity around its long-term scalability and security measures. For those interested in DeFi, it's a compelling option, but I wonder if it has enough robust features to cater to more advanced users who might need additional functionalities. On the plus side, Base offers lower transaction fees and quicker processing times compared to Ethereum's mainnet, which is a significant draw for many users. Its design is also beginner-friendly, making it accessible for newcomers to the crypto space. However, there are some concerns. The project is relatively new, which raises questions about its stability and security. Additionally, advanced users might find the features lacking compared to other seasoned Layer 2 solutions. There's also the concern of being tied to Coinbase, which some may view as a downside given the centralized nature of the parent company. If you're just starting in crypto or looking for a simpler way to engage with DeFi, Base could be a good fit. But if you're more experienced and need advanced features, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Base by Coinbase presents an interesting option for those new to the crypto space or looking for a streamlined experience. However, its newness and potential limitations might not suit everyone. If you're cautious about relying on centralized platforms, it might be worth exploring alternatives before committing.